Alright viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's look at how we can transfer funds from our bybit to CBEX. This is the practical step of how to transfer from bybit to CBEX. Okay, first thing first, you have to go and copy the wallet address of your CBEX, the deposit address of your CBEX. That is where you want the money to go. So since we want to deposit into our CBEX, so I'm going to go and copy the wallet address now, the deposit address of CBEX now. So now I open my CBEX. Sorry, let me open my CBEX. Let me also close my bybit. Okay, now I open my CBEX. Now we click on CBEX. Once it's opened, you can click on deposit, or you come to asset and click any one you choose. You can click on asset, see deposit here, click on deposit. Then this is your wallet address. You copy choosing. Remember, you have chosen, this is on TRC20, so we are depositing TRC20. Click on TRC20. If you are depositing ERC20, you just click on ERC20 and copy the address, but we are depositing TRC20, so we are choosing TRC20 and you copy the wallet address of CRC20 to deposit into. Now you are done with CBEX, so you can go back. Just go back. Then the next step is to open your bybit where you are withdrawing from. Open bybit. So in this bybit, this is my bybit. I have $103.85 there. So I'm gonna transfer 103 to CBEX right now. So the next step, what you do is you click on your asset, then come to withdraw here, click on withdraw. Then you choose the currency you want to. We are depositing USDT here, so I click USDT. So now I will paste the address I copied from CBEX here. That deposit address will copy it from CBEX, and you paste it here on this section. So you paste. This is my address. Then the network is TRC20. I choose TRC20. Got it here. TRC20. Then I want to deposit 103. The amount I want to deposit is 103. So let me just click all, the maximum. So they are charging, because of the charges. I want to fund. Okay, I have the actual amount that I can actually withdraw from this bybit is 102.9. So I already, the other one, the remaining one is not in the funding section, so I won't be able to withdraw that one. So now the only one I can withdraw now is 102. So I have imputed it. That was why I clicked all. This is the 102 here. You can see it here. So, but because of their charges, they are gonna deduct I think 1 point something. Okay, their charges is 1.6 here. So if you deduct 106 from 1.6, if you deduct 1.6 from 102.9, I will be left with 101.3. So this is the amount I will save in my CBEX once this transaction is completed, this withdrawal is completed. So I'll call it. Well, let's continue. Click on withdraw. They're asking you to confirm everything here. If you think everything is correct, you just confirm, and then a code will be sent to your email. Go and copy it. So let me open my email right now. Come to your email. Let me open my email. Just come to all boxes. So here's the code. Primary. Let me see if I have it here. Fine.
I'm going to check till now. This thing don't expire.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. No. Okay, let's get the code first of all. Sorry, I forgot before. Just click on get code. Okay, it will now be sent to your listing. Then refresh. Okay, here's the code. Open it. Look at the code here. You copy the code. Copy. Then you paste. Come back to your bit by bit and paste. You paste. Then you go to Google Authenticator. Please, I'm sorry because Google Authenticator does not allow screenshot or screen recording. So this you may not see this part that I'm going to do now. So but when you're doing your own, just go to your Google Authenticator and copy the code that will be sent there. So let me go to my Google Authenticator now and copy my code. Here's my Google Authenticator. So I open it. At this point you won't see the code. I know you're not seeing it because Google Authenticator does not permit screen record or screenshots. You can try it. It won't screenshot. You can try it on your phone. You won't be able to screenshot. So I have copied it now. I'll just paste it. Paste. Then I confirm that I really want to do that withdrawal. I've submitted it. So say okay. Just do not know. So now the money has left, and any moment from now it should be dropping in our CBEX. Okay, so you can go back to your CBEX to see if it has dropped. Let's just refresh. It has not dropped. The money should drop here, right here in our exchange. So we are still awaiting it. I think it's still undergoing some auditing. So let's just wait for it. Once it drops in our CBEX, we transfer it to our trade so we could use it to trade today. Let's patiently wait for it to arrive. We are still waiting. Just patiently wait for the arrival of the fund. Just patiently wait for the arrival of the fund. It's gonna drop. Maybe in less than 10 minutes, we should find it in our CBEX. Okay, look at it. Our withdrawal is completed. Withdrawal completed. Okay. So we are just waiting for it to arrive into our CBEX account. Well, it has dropped. Look at it. 101.3. So we have got the listing. Now we have to move it to be able to trade with it for today. We have to move it from exchange to trade. So what you do is you click on transfer. Click, the thing is already transferred from exchange, from exchange transfer to trade, so it's already there, and you are transferring USDT, so everything is confirmed. What we just have to do is just come and click all here. This all, just click on it. See, 103 will be transferred to our, remember we have 1232.04. So if we transfer 100, it will be 1300 and something. So let's do the transfer and see. You click on transfer. Like I already said, it's already there. From exchange, transfer from exchange, transfer to trade. That's all. It's already USDT. You click on all and you confirm. See, it says there are no requirements. You say okay. So let's go back and check. This one doesn't waste time at all. We should go back to here and check now. So the money has been transferred to our trade. So we can use this money to trade today. So that's how you withdraw from. That's how you move money from your exchange or bybit to CBEX. Thank you for watching. If the video helped you, please, if you find value with the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, you can also share it to your friends. Thank you.